Hello friends, warm welcome in this video, that is the sixth step of a glycolysis, oxidation of a glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate or oxidative phosphorylation of a glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Friends, in this reaction, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which is a aldose sugar, convert into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, which is a high energy compound. In the presence of a enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. Here the cofactor NAD is used. Whenever there is involvement of NAD, FAD, FADH or NADH, the name of enzyme ends with dehydrogenase. Here the phosphate group donor is orthophosphate. Now we will see some of the peculiarities of this reaction. This is the first of the two energy conserving reactions of glycolysis that eventually lead to the formation of ATP. The aldehyde group of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is oxidized not to a 3-carboxylic acid but to a carboxylic acid anhydride with a phosphoric acid called as acyl phosphate, which has very high standard free energy of hydrolysis, that is Gibbs free energy is equal to 49.3 kJ per mole. Much of the free energy of oxidation of the aldehyde group of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is conserved by formation of acyl phosphate group at a C1 of a 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. The conversion of aldehyde into an acyl phosphate involves both oxidation and phosphorylation. In oxidation reaction, the electron is removed in the form of a hydride ion. The removal of hydride ion from an aldehyde is energetically costly because of a dipolar character of the carbonyl group. The carbon atom of the carbonyl group already has partial positive charge. The removal of hydride ion is greatly facilitated by making the carbon atom less positively charged. This is accomplished by the addition of nucleophile represented here by X negative. This is the X negative, which is a nucleophile here. The hydride ion readily leaves the addition compound because the carbon atom no longer carries a large positive charge. Furthermore, some of the free energy of the oxidation preserved in the acyl intermediate. Addition of orthophosphate to this intermediate yields an acyl phosphate, which has high group transfer potential. Now we will see some of the characteristics of this enzyme. The nucleophile is sulfhydryl group of a cysteine residue at the active site. The active site cysteine has a reduced pKa 5.5 instead of 8 when NAD is bound and is more reactive from thiolate. We will see the structural changes taking place in this reaction. The aldehyde substrate reacts with the ionized form of this sulfhydryl group of a cysteine residue at the active site to form a thiohemiacetal linkage. The next step is the transfer of hydride ion to a molecule of NAD that is tightly bound to the enzyme. The product of this reaction is a reduced coenzyme NADH and thioester. This thioester is an energy-rich intermediate. NADH dissociates from the enzyme and another NAD binds to the active site orthophosphate, then attacks to thioester to form the 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, a high phosphoryl potential donor. Thus, a crucial aspect of the formation of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate from glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is that thermodynamically unfavorable reaction, the formation of acyl phosphate from carboxylate, is driven by thermodynamically favorable reaction, the oxidation of an aldehyde. The other peculiarities of these reactions are the amount of NAD in a cell is far smaller than the amount of glucose metabolized in a few minutes. Glycolysis would soon come to a halt if NADH formed in this step of the glycolysis were not continuously reoxidized and recycled. Arsenate, an analog of phosphate, poison by uncoupling oxidation and phosphorylation. Arsenate closely resembles orthophosphate in structure and reactivity. In the reaction catalyzed by glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, arsenate can replace phosphate in attacking the energy. The product of this reaction, 1-arseno-3-phosphoglycerate, is unstable. In contrast with a 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, 1-arseno-3-phosphoglycerate and other acyl arsenates are readily and rapidly spontaneously hydrolyzed. Note that the glycolysis proceeds in the presence of arsenate, but that the ATP normally formed in the conversion of a 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate into 3-phosphoglycerate is lost. Thus, arsenate uncouples oxidation and phosphorylation by formation of highly labile acyl arsenate. Arsenic is a potent poison because arsenate generally substitutes for phosphate in a phosphoryl transfer reaction. Also, arsenite forms adducts with thiols. One likely reason for the choice of the phosphorus over arsenite in the evolution of a biomolecules is a greater kinetic stability of its energy-rich compounds. 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate, an allosteric effector of a hemoglobin, arises from 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. 2,6-bisphosphate, a regulatory molecule, arises from a glycolytic intermediates which we have already seen. Another regulatory molecule coming from this pathway is a 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate, a controller of oxygen transport in an erythrocyte. Red blood cells have a high concentration of a 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate, typically 4 millimolar, in contrast with most other cells which have only trace amounts. The synthesis and degradation of a 2,3-bisphosphoglycerates are a short deuter from the glycolytic pathway. Bisphosphoglycerate mutage converts 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate into 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate is a potent competitive inhibitor of its own formation. The concentration of this allosteric effector also depends on its hydrolysis to 3-phosphoglycerate, a reaction catalyzed by 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate phosphatase. Both the synthesis and degradation of 2,3-bisphosphoglycerates are nearly irreversible. The mutage reaction has an interesting mechanism. 3-phosphoglycerate is an obligatory participant, although it does not appear in overall stoichiometry. The mutage binds 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate and 3-phosphoglycerate simultaneously. In this ternary complex, a phosphoryl group is transferred from position 1 of a 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate to position 2 of a 3-phosphoglycerate. 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate is important not only in red blood cells. Phosphoglycerate mutage, the enzyme catalyzing the interconversion of a 3-phosphoglycerate and 2-phosphoglycerate, requires a catalytic amount of 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate to be maintain the active form of the enzyme. Thus, 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate plays an essential role in basic metabolism. It seems likely that 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate was present eons before it was recruited by red cell to control the oxygen affinity of a hemoglobin. In this way, the reaction is taking place in which 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate is formed from 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde.